What? Am I sorting out your seed? Hmm? Taking on the all healthy bits? Didn't take you long, did it? You're not worried about the window now? There, is that what you're after? You need to help me out. Clearing all the unhealthy ones. That's the last of the seed anyway. Then go and start buying the more healthy stuff. What? Oh, you want some? Hey, Sparky? Can't leave you out, can we? What a way to spend your life, eh? What, you want more? Of course. Greedy pigs. There we go. Oh, you coming in for a crash landing? Hmm? Sparky. You want to mess up my sofa? Hmm? Trying to keep the place clean with birds is a nightmare. So there we go. Here's my Sunday morning. How's yours going? There we go. They've got the chair, so they're happy.